Hello everybody, here's Marcella. I'm from Colombia and I've been living here in Berlin for the last 4 years. I'm now working full time. I did my master's here, but since 1 year I'm working here, and I just learned about FinMarie, and I'm just very interested about the financial topic, how to get in the short and long term some financial stability and freedom. And that's why I came to the workshop today. It was very interesting. We talked about different types of methods you can invest your money and kind of get out of the rat race. And yeah, I learned about ETFs as well and how I can start making a portfolio, so diversifying, kind of mitigating risk, which is very important. And well, my takes away from today, I definitely have to take action. So I have to get to, take the decisions and invest my money so I can see results in the maybe mid-long term. And as well, getting connected to like-minded people and yeah, enjoying the process as well. It's very important.
So do you recommend to come to FinMarie workshops?
Yeah, absolutely. I think even if it's focused on women, and I think we as women have to be empowered and kind of have the intention to learn about those topics and yeah, educate ourselves on the financial topic. And FinMarie allows that for free, and you can learn, and it's definitely beneficial.
Are you gonna invest in FinMarie, or you still need to think?
I think it's a very interesting proposal. I have to think about it because only 2 months ago I came into this topic, so I'm very new on it. But I definitely find it interesting, and I will go back to them, to you guys, and see what the possibilities are.
What kind of topics would you like to hear?
For the next workshops,
Exactly.
I would like money mindset. It's very important. I think it's the backstone for everything when you want to invest. And also, I don't know, maybe how the economy works, to have more idea how is inflation rates, employment rates, recessions, and all of that. That might be interesting. And yeah, I think that will be those topics that interested me.
Gracias. For you.
Oh, thank you. Gracias también.